is a must read. I mean, if you haven't read that, like, where are you? That's like mandatory reading for everybody.
All right. What are your favorite financial books?
Dr. Finance. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Does that count?
Anything you want.
Yeah, Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Well, Sharon Lecter is my one of my mentors, so
Yeah.
yeah, she co-authored it.
That is a must read. I mean, if you haven't read that, like, where are you? That's like mandatory reading for everybody. And I think also, if you could call it a financial book, The Richest Man in Babylon,
Hmm.
again, it's mindset. It's finances is all about mindset,
Hmm.
understanding how to work it, right? Those are my two favorite.
Absolutely. Well, did you ever read Think and Grow Rich, Napoleon Hill?
I always get halfway through it and then I stop.
Okay.
I don't know what
Okay.
it is. I just can't get beyond the halfway mark. I don't know what it is. So I'm wondering what's going to happen if I can achieve so much by half the book. If I finish the book, what's going to happen? Like, oh my God. So I better finish that book.
Yeah, I mean it's I read it a long time ago, but because I'm doing the 13 book series now, I
Yeah.
did it on purpose, signing up for this project because I wanted to analyze this. And we get to do one book on each one of the 13 steps. So his book is really about 13 steps to riches. That's his steps. And every book, so the first one we did desire, and then faith. This is the last one. I just sent the chapter this week, and that'll be a whole new book. And then we got 11 more, right? And the reason I took this project on, because as I'm going through Clubhouse, it really started to hit me how many people have been influenced by this one book. And for me not to really spend the time to analyze it would be a negative for me. So I have to do this. I mean, every president since him has had it on their desk, almost every CEO, so many actors. And I mean, from every level of high influence, this book has affected them. And you talked about earlier, one book can change a life. Well, this book single-handedly has changed like the most lives out there, other than maybe the Bible or probably get into the scientific stuff like Charles Darwin or whatever.
Yeah.
But it's just amazing.